This is a stir fry. Meatball, celery, cabbage, carrots, and cauliflower. So I put the soy sauce. Black pepper. Garlic powder. Broccoli from my garden. By the way, the cabbage is from the garden. Peas from the garden. This from my garden. This is cabbage from the garden. Broccoli. Flower. What's the skins? This is kind of broccoli, but this is like flower broccoli because they have a flower. Okay, I put the cauliflower, broccoli. Sometimes I cannot slice the piece. So sometimes I cannot put the salt for my stir fry. I just put this one, soy sauce. You can see also in the menu this one, Walmart. So, this one is meatloaf, beef. Okay, I cover just only 5 minutes, and that's all like that. I added the onion. I add the onion on it, and that's ready. It's already cooked. That's our breakfast and lunch.